Battle, please. People should reduce your voice. Taking class. I guess it's only Mr. Femi that is. It's only Mr. Femi that is happy to see Friday. It's only Mr. Femi. Oh. Everybody, everybody don't go silence. Oh, it go better. All right. All right, let's go. Today's Friday. Let's do like 30 minutes and everybody can go and do other things. Uh, drawdown is part of the game. Just I mean these days I trade less. I trade less due to I have subjected to high time frame trades. So that's make me to trade uh very, very because I discovered that making money today, tomorrow give it back to the market from all those smaller time frame. You think that we are making money, but at the end of the day, you discover that we are not really making money. So if I don't trade, let my money save. And I want to take trade, let me take a good trade that I can live to run. Yes. I was in this trade yesterday. Oh, I've been in this trade since yesterday. Immediately after the session, I like this trade now. I like this market. I get trades inside this trade, inside this GPP chef. So, but it is struggling. But currently, I know this place is fighting monthly opening, is fighting the dropping of that trade. This place now because this is monthly open for August, right? So that place is standing as a strong support. So that place is fighting. You need a momentum to be able to break down the monthly opening and the weekly opening. So this one a weekly open for this week. This one market open this week. So now we are trading. So that place, once this guy clear this place, oh, we are coming down. So I'm selling this. I'm selling G-Chef. Why am I selling G-Chef? Simple. Simple as ABC. Simple. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. You can see that we are be okay. Let's check on daily. Daily will not give us a kind of scenario we need. On daily, we have this, though, in fact, daily is so messy, okay? We are bearish, then we rally to supply, and then we get to all these supports, this
No,
accumulation, market bounce up again. So daily is not really give us a story.
trade business.
4 hours,
This is what I
right?
learn every morning by 9, but today they shifted it to 10.
On 4 hours, we rally back to the supply, and I was watching it, and I discovered, okay, supply mitigated, and we're going to price down. So just wait and look at, okay, some weaknesses, and we're going to break some low. So just put in here, put my stop losses. So let's see. It's not a best ideology trade. It's not that kind, it's A plus setup because of the higher time frame narrative. But I'm just putting it. Let's see if we can trade back to this low. So it's not that kind A plus setup trade, right? It's not kind but if this supply is going to hold, then we can trade back to this low. So that's what I'm just using to get in that I get in that trade. Right. So let's see. This is the only trade I'm in now. But I'm plan to hold it uh till next week. That is if if by the end of today we not fly come and hit stop loss. So if this guy continue give me bearish sell, then maybe we could trade to this place by next week. So let's see how that goes. It's not a small piece, it's about 56 pips, about 2.7 arrow trade. But I want to see how that trade will play out. So let's quickly touch on some other currency now before I go to major currency. AUD, I don't know what's happening to AUD. On I saw even on YouTube, I saw a lot of people try to sell AUD from this place. You can see they try to sell, market reject bounce back. I try to sell, but I don't know. The AUD is so powerful. So I think we are now price is trading above yearly open. Now I'm seeing this guy here as I draw on liquidity. So don't even make any attempt to do anything against AUD for now. The guy is very strong. The guy is very strong. Very, very strong. So for this one now, if you are looking at AUD JPY, there's nothing you can really do for now. Just let this guy continue running until I know that he will get tired somewhere. He will get tired somewhere. So it's very bullish. It's very bullish. AUD pairs are very bullish. Look at AUD card. So like this one, now, if you get a bounce, if you get if you can get a retracement, then we can watch. We can go up on that. Get a retracement, we can go up. So don't even make attempt to sell on AUD. AUD NZD, you can say it is very, very bullish. AUD chef, AUD chef. This guy is trading. I think AUD chef self should look for opportunity to buy this guy. So this guy has closed below that high. So here become what? This is a confirmed break of structure. So, and this guy come back to us, anything here, we can look for a push to buy. So let's watch AUD chef. We can look to buy if price come back to that boss. We have a lot of drawn liquidity above our highs. This one, no nonsense. Market is so funny these days. Market is so funny these days. Okay. Our Euro NZD, we are still watching it. But do you see something now? I think this guy will be bearish, guys. The only way that this guy will not be bearish if today close very bullish, because we already close bearish below these zones that I was looking at, not only that zone, below this trend line that started since June. We have this place one, second touch. Price should have bounced here. But what you see, we see daily closure. And this one can be a form of a retest. If today, if we close bearish back, if this kind of close back bearish, then from next week we're going to be selling Euro NZD. If this guy close bearish back today, here will become a resistance. So we look for a sell here. Our stop loss come above here, then we'll target here. So that would be a very good trade for us next week if this guy close bearish this week. So it's gonna be something like this of this nature, right? Here will become what? A stop loss. Then that will give about 3R. So let's see. We will not quickly jump into this guy now because this one you are seeing, if you close back bullish today, the next week will go higher. So today candle closure will determine what will go engage on Monday or on Tuesday on Euro NZD. Euro AUD. Oh my God, AUD is crazy. It is crazy. So we have closed, we have take liquidity. The next liquidity is here. So now I think a kind of pullback will happen. A kind of pullback should happen. A kind of pullback will happen. So we call this a clear break of structure, right? So here become what? A very clear break of structure for us. So now we look inward for a pullback where we can trade with. So any pullback is a pullback was to continue selling. So if there will be a pullback, then if this guy begin to reverse, we can go to smaller time frame and wait for a counter movement. Then you can buy. But this guy is so bearish. It's very, very bearish. Very, very bearish. So I think a retracement back around here will give us the sell continuation on Euro AUD. Okay, so for now, there's no trade. There's no trade. For me, there's no trade. Oh. So GJ, where is GJ? Okay, we are still waiting, guys. Like I predicted yesterday, we need GJ to decide. So we need GJ to decide. I think that should be next week focus for us. If GJ will close above this zone, then we are going up. We are going up. We are going up. If DJ close above that zone, so if DJ close above that zone, then guys, we'll trade next week. All we'll be doing is to buy GJ. So that is it. Now, card, okay? This one is not even good to sell now. It's not good to sell now until we see a clear direction, like this thing that dropped here. Okay? So we need a momentum that tells us that we are ready to break structure, then we can look on sell for now. For now, let's go to 1 hour and see. I just need a go. Okay, if we can see a what's the card? Card is weak. Oh. I don't want to say. So there's tendency that like we can set it to this low. If we see a clear structure break, can use this place. So something of this nature then. So if you want to do it intraday trade, if you must trade today, this will be your trade. This setup is good. This setup is good. If you want, if you like to trade today, this setup is a good setup. Let stop loss come above 41. Then we can target this low here. That's 2.7 R. So I think for intraday trade, GP card, we can at least this guy will go down, we go down, like we go down, we go down. So this will be your trade for those that would like to trade, or you can reduce your stop loss of 30 pips to that high here. So that should give you about 3 hour trade. So this is my prediction for GPP card for those of us that would like to trade. I want to take it entry, sell limit, stop loss, and take profit. So let me give this 1 minute to you to write it down. Okay, I left sell limit on 0JPY and it triggered this morning. Should I leave it or out of it? Okay, I will see USJ. Okay, I believe you have copied this already. So let me quickly help that person check that Euro JPY. I think I talked about this earlier. My brother, Euro JPY, this guy is bullish. Oh. I will advise I don't know what you see for you to say your sell limit, though, but this is a bullish market. There's nothing here, okay, okay. Are you using, okay, let's go to 1 hour. Okay, okay, you use this place. Okay, know what you do? Watch this high. I don't know where your entry is, but if you want to use hourly time frame, I think this guy should sell because we have a break of structure here. That's break of structure we have. And if that be, then let all this play be the supply we are waiting for. This play may be a liquidity and price 3 pair. So that is why I'm saying the kind of momentum we have now. So if what is it called? If your drawdown is not too big, it's very, very still little, maybe you can opt out. But watch, maybe you should watch this play, what price we do here. Put your bar on 173.55. Once price close with momentum there you can quickly go out. So don't watch that zone. Watch that zone. Because I may say you should go out now, the thing begin to sell. Well, I'm seeing this place a momentum back. I can trigger up. So we have done so I've done G chef, GS, these ones are broken down. So this has confirmed more bearish for us. So it's still bearish. GBP is still bearish. So we'll be looking for a bearish continuation. Please just give me a 60 seconds. I'm coming. Okay, welcome back. So this place has become a resistance now, but be today's Friday. Let's watch what private develop. Unless if you see something, then that can become a this thing. So if you see a bullish evidence like this, it will become a change of character, then retest will buy. But for now, this place become what? Our supply zone that we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. That is if you trade GBP NZD. GBP UD, all those guys just going down. I don't know what's happened to. Can see price has break from. If I extend this thing here, if I extend this is a very strong zone. Now price has break that place. It means there's possibility that price trades to this zone now. If this if the bearish continue, so here now become what? A supply zone for us. So what we should do now is wait. I would love price to do what? To trade more down. Then here become what? A resistance. Then we can now sell. So we put more eyes on GAUD. USDJPY. Leave this one for now. It's a ranging market. Oil, even oil itself is ranging. USD chef. Okay. USD chef. Yeah, I'm already coming dancing to major currency now. So I just want quickly to do. So USD chef, this thing sold up yesterday. Now, this guy has given us a kind of liquidity here now. So USD chef, I'm still hoping price will trade. I would prefer to use this guy here as my supply zone or everything here. Everything here, let me, if I extend it, everything here as a supply zone, let me extend it. So here, liquidity has formed a bump on the road. So once the guy trade, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity on a USD chef. So that is my take on USD chef. I need more to push up, but it's not good. Don't buy, oh. Don't think that because we go don't buy. Wait, we have a break of structure, then swing high and swing low, pull back, we look for a sell. USD card. So USD card has come to this zone that I pointed yesterday. All right. So today's Friday. I don't want to buy any trades for now today because if I put in any order today, it will likely go to next week. So all these things I will just watch them till next week. But this maybe a price, I would love if price can even trade to this place. Then it would be a very good place to buy. Uh US GBP USD. So let's see how that will develop. Let's see. AUD USD. This guy is bullish. This guy break up. Now, this is a clear break of structure, not a liquidity sweep. So the only way we can, or when we trade back, we see a bearish candle close below here. So that is when we can, maybe a gulfy bearish candle. That's why we say, okay, we are bearish. For now, this guy has changed well to a clear break of structure. So let's mark it as a break of structure. So all we need now, maybe price come back to this demand, then we can look for a buy continuation on USD, AUD USD. We have this high, which may stand as a drawn liquidity if we buy a profit, if we buy from here. So NZD USD, okay. I would love to continue bullish. Maybe this one today, Maybe this one today. I may do inter-day trade, maybe bring New York. So I love what is happening. Yesterday, we closed very bullish. Or whatever is happening now, I will count it as what? As a pullback. So I would love price more to drop. Let price drop. We are trading below today. So let's see if price drop more back to this demand there. So I can go long intraday today. So I would love to buy NZUSD as price. This one a fake move. Price will still come down more. So price will still come down more on this guy. So two places I'm looking to buy. It's whether I buy from here or I allow price to come to this weekly and monthly opening. So that place is stand what as another great demand zone that we can do. So if this guy fail, if I make small attempt and it fail, then this place will hold. So bear in mind, this guy is a bullish market. It's a bullish market, and we have a drawn liquidity price which price could go to. On daily, we are very bullish. On daily, we are very bullish, and as long as this guy closed bullish yesterday, so we consider today as a bullish day. So let's wait. Maybe there's news by 3 p.m., please. That 3 p.m. can give us the buying we are looking at. Okay, let me change the dates. Let me change the dates. Today's 12. Okay, it's correct too. So there is this UOM consumer sentiment by 3 p.m. So I would love to buy NZUSD if I see a bullish evidence at that time, especially let price can come. This place is a very good place to buy. Why? We have a low here, we strip liquidity. You can see how we strip this liquidity here. Bam. We strip liquidity, right? Then we can call a break structure. So we break structure. So this zone is a very good place. Let's go to 2 hours, 1 hour. So that place is a very good place to buy, for us to buy NZUSD from this place. In fact, this week, the whole week here is our demand zone. So put your eyes here. The price tapping here and give you bullish engulfing candle in 1 hour or 4 hours. Then just all you need to do, don't waste time. Shoot the gun. Put your stop loss below here. So that is trade number 1 we are looking at today. Let me leave gold first. Let me do euro yen. This guy also are still favorable to buy. Please don't sell euro USD. Don't sell. In fact, I'm tempted to buy euro USD self. I'm tempted to buy. Now, I will a reclaim back as happened yesterday. We have these eyes, right? We have this breakup. Price came back, reclaimed that zone. We trade low, but now seller don't have the power to push market down, right? And we tap into monthly opening, and also we tapping into this demand zone. You can see that demand zone hold, and what you see, push price up, and we close. So whatever is happening here, whether on Monday or I will find opportunity to look for a buy. I'm not interested in selling euro USD now because the dollar is weak. So then we have a drawn liquidity and we have 3-month opening still not we have liquidity above this 3-month opening. See that we tap in here, we bounce down, and now we have not touched it again. So that we touch it before we bounce, or we come back to this major draw on liquidity on Euro USD. So Euro USD I'll be more bullish on Euro USD, and we have all time kind of resistance zone, which this guy can travel to far if you continue pushing up. So through New York, I'll be looking for what? Opportunity to buy. There's still a fair value gap that is opening here. So let's see. And also, I will not don't quickly jump to buy it because this thing can turn to a bearish day. So we want to see maybe price tap into this supply zone, demand zone, into this demand zone and give us bullish continuation. But it's more profitable to buy. It may not be today, maybe tomorrow. I say tomorrow, maybe next week, Monday or Tuesday, to buy Euro USD than to sell Euro USD. So we'll put our eyes on that, and then I'll be looking. Everything that's happening now, I consider it a pullback. A pullback, one, and number two, price is ranging. So even the buy is somehow because price can come back and close back here today now. And if price close back below these zones, then we are back. So so uh so that is it. So this guy this was a nice, we see how we've got to 15 minutes now. We see that this guy don't. Some of us say this guy is falling, but all the falling, fine, is falling. But I will not. Now, something is happening here. We may not come down here. Do you see that every price action here is balanced? Every price action is balanced. We have this long, this big candle, this guy already covered it. We have this guy already covered it. And now, price is sitting, you can see this trend, this black line, that is the line on top of that resistance zone. Our price is sitting. So, and if you look at daily, you can see that price is rejecting back because we close back with bullish momentum. So here can hold. If here holds, guys, if here holds today, Friday, if here holds today, Friday, next week, a Euro USD will continue to bullish. For now, it's whether you wait for after the news, you buy Euro USD. So, but for me, I want to look for a buy, not for a sell, not to a sell. So that Euro GU. GU now is more complicated. I will not do anything. I will not buy GU. You know my condition now. Until price break here like this. Here will be break, a retest. Then here will be the target for GU. So that's why GU, I'm not doing anything on GU. On GU for now, I need price to give me, to break that place. We are in a resistance zone. You can see it's already selling. So price can sell off from that place. If you sell this money from that place, congratulations, you make money already. Price can sell back. We have weekly and monthly opening here. So price can sell back here before pushing up. So I want to see price. Now I'm not going to sell GU. I'm not going to buy GU because this guy is a ranging market. So I don't want to trade it. So it's whether price break up, retest, then I can target 3 months opening. So maybe somewhere around here, target here, that 138, extension to almost 194. So this is my take, Mr. Femi, on GU, but that's only me that, with our trade differs. So, but if we come to smaller time frame, is this market selling? Yes, it's already selling. It's selling as I'm talking to you. We are trading below. Whenever you see that when we are trading below a daily low, a daily opening, that is bearish. It's bearish for that. So we are already trading below today a daily open, and once we are trading below a daily open, it's more bearish. So what you can do now, ladies and gentlemen, because of this current price action that is before us, maybe our buy can be next week, but as I'm speaking to you now, we are bearish on this guy, right? We are bearish. So what you can do for a day trading, since we are trading below, and once we are already trading below daily opening, New York will come, will continue on the direction of London. 90% New York, if London bearish, New York will come and continue the direction. 90% or 80%, New York will come back to continue the direction of London. Now, this is London, then the break between London and New York, a correction will happen. Then New York time will continue. So once price has created a high of the day on London, it's very difficult for New York to come back and take that high of the day. So what you can do, a pullback we have. So for now, I'm seeing this as high of the day. I'm seeing that if this guy be our high of the day and we are already trading below this, in fact, I was not on the system. This will be my entry here. This will be my entry because this I day trading. For us, I do day trading. So we have this shifting market structure here, right? So this will be our entry. I believe some people take advantage. This will be your entry. So now it's not too late. So all you need to do now is already price has given us this momentum. Then this demand, that black candle become what? Your entry. So you can do your sell limits. Myself, I will do this. So I'm going to do, no, I love taking some risk no matter what. So I'll put my stop loss. Let me put it here, 27 pips. The only thing I reduce my loss, or let's do 50% of this, so that we don't miss out. We can target this low. So for intraday trade, GBP USD, this is what we are looking for today to trade. Let's see if we can trade back to this low, this monthly and weekly low. So guys, so that is what Mr. Femi, what's your view? Okay, you have been selling since the morning. Okay, price currently on the 61.8, it will pull back. Yes, so and that's the pullback I'm saying that I am talking about. Because of this momentum, I'm not seeing this guy have the power because it's coming from a resistance zone, a daily resistance zone. So I'm not sure that this will have the power again to push up today. So what we can experience maybe during New York time a correction, then we'll continue. So maybe you just wait for that pullback. Wait for that pullback and continue to do what? To say we are not we are in 50%, not 61 yet. So I'm still seeing this guy to fall. I'm seeing this guy to fall. So take advantage, wait for pullback. To this demand, demand already the supply is our supply zone. So that is it, guys. Lastly, on gold, before we go, I think I've covered all instruments. Gold is the last one. Gold, me, I go buy. Gold is preferable to buy. Gold is trading above daily opening. So that's me. We look for a buy on gold. If you are trading gold, look for a buy on gold. Look for a buy on gold. That is those of you that want to trade gold. Maybe 15 minutes, I go 15 minutes. Okay, let's say this one will be an inducement. Something of this nature. Okay, stop loss come below here. That's about 69 pips, which is good. It's not too big. Then we can target this previous high. That's about 2.9 arrow. Let's make it 3 arrow. Okay. So this is another setup. If you want to do gold, this is another good setup on gold. You are risking 69 pips to take three. Myself, let me take small risk here. About 70 pips. So I'll use small lots on gold. So this place, let's use this place as an inducement. The price tapping here. So that is it, guys. That will be all for today. So if you want to do this, it's on the screen. You can copy, you can take it and so if you want to take that one, you can just take it and go. We are done for today. I'll see you guys next week, Monday. So we have some straight to wash. We have gold, we have GU, and we have other one that I pointed out. Three, 7.119. Stop loss at my stop loss at 3,630.137. Then my TP 36. So I'll just use 0.5%. 58.361 of gold. So let me check GU now. Maybe I'll just leave GU, so GU. So maybe GU, I'll wait for the news to come and go before I make my decision on GU. See, this one, there's kind of this one we are trading below daily opening, and that one we are trading above daily opening. So Okay, this one, how many? How many pips? 64. Okay, another account. Let me risk small here. This is small, in this small account. GBP USD, GBP USD. Let's take small. Let's risk small one on this small account. Sell limit. Sell limit at 1.3. 1.35553. Stop loss 1.35826, and TP 1.34905. Bam. Okay. So those two trade already set my limits. And let's see how it will play out. It will play out. But mhm, weekly opening. This is fucking ranging, man. It's too what is this? So this where you can see the monthly opening. Where's our weekly opening self? Wow, this is where we open months. I will begin to push up. So there's likely before the end of the month that we break above here. Likely we break above there. So this guy, today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to see, I want us to see this one. Okay. 1 hour, that zone good. This zone's good for selling it. So, well, please, if you are taking this trade, don't risk high, just risk small. Just this on GU here, just risk small. This place should go to hold for us. But in case it's not hold, we just take 27 pips. So price is currently out into this fair value gap. Oh, go, 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 go. Dun, 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 dun. See that gold though. They don't push now. Gold is crazy, you know. Come back now. Come and pick us. Come back. Don't go yet. Oh, BTC. 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 I told you yesterday that BTC is, this guy is bullish. You can see any pullback, you continue buying. If you come back, pull back, continue buying. Mr. Femi, continue on a pullback, continue making your, okay, he has left, making your go your BTC. Just wait for a very good pullback. I think back to this zone, maybe next week will be a very good place to. I will join you, sir, to trade BTC next week. The price come back here. We'll trade it together. It will not be only you at all, at all. So even this, we want this guy to come down more and look for a buy. So DSY That's why it's kind of it has some momentum this morning, but weekly opening is rejecting it. Let's see if this momentum can continue today. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see each other again next week, Monday, by the grace of God. Please trade safe. We only have two positions that we put in. GU, we are looking for a small sell if it will work out for us. And goals, we're looking for a buy if price will come to our zone. So these are the trades that we are currently.